Okay, so we're outside in the barn, and our track here widens out at the bottom, and it pulls the door, the big barn door back, okay? And what's happening is it's popping this wheel out of its bracket. And on the other side, you can see that the bracket's supposed to be firmly in place, and there is no flex here. So going back on this side of the barn door, you'll see that the track, it won't go in, but when you pull the door all the way down, because it goes further back, it allows this pin, or little axle here, whatever you want to call it, to slide out. So when you go back up with the door, it pops it back above. And no matter what you do, you can always pop it back in when you're closed. But what I'm going to do is try and modify this by drilling a hole right here and putting in a cotter pin or a piece of wire or something that will prevent it from going back through this hole. And so that's my little project right now. It should probably take me about 10 minutes to do that. Okay, so we went and drilled our hole. We'll get this cleaned up. We used a simple vise and just a steel bit. Went through this no problem. I did use a little compressor oil to keep the temps down, but that was mostly towards the end once I got about halfway through. So I wouldn't be slipping and sliding on the start of this round pin here. So we'll probably use some baling wire and a washer or something like that on here to prevent it from sliding in. So I'll see what I've got. If nothing else, I can go buy a cotter pin and call it good. All right, let's see what we got. Okay, so we're back. We got a pin going in there to hold that in place. So now when it's closed, it doesn't wobble. Bring this bad boy up, and there we go. And this is a little bit big for this application, but it's fine because being large enough, it's not going to rotate on me. If it was small, it would rotate. So we're in good shape, and it beats having to spend another, $14 or whatever it is for a new track wheel, and the difficulty of finding one that will fit through this bracket that came with this barn door. So just a simple little barn fix. Do your wonders. Saves you time, saves you money. Whole process took me about 10 minutes, start to finish.